A win in court today for the Christian owners of this bakery in Northern Ireland. The UK Supreme Court ruling that the baker's refusal to make a cake with a slogan supporting same-sex marriage was not discriminatory. And the decision was unanimous by all 5 justices on the bench.
We're delighted and relieved at today's ruling. We always knew we hadn't done anything wrong in turning down this order.
The order was made by gay rights activist Gareth Lee 4 years ago. He wanted the cake to include the phrase "support gay marriage," along with a picture of Bert and Ernie from Sesame Street.
All I wanted was to order a cake in a shop that sold cakes.
The bakery initially took the order, but later canceled it, offering a refund, saying the slogan was inconsistent with its religious beliefs. The case went to lower courts that supported Lee, but the UK's highest court overturning the decisions today.
I paid my money was taken, and then a few days later it was refused based upon the beliefs of the business owners. That made me feel like a second-class citizen, and the judgment today tells me that that's okay.
Explaining today's ruling, the court's president saying in part, as to Mr. Lee's claim based on sexual discrimination, the bakers did not refuse to fulfill his order because of sexual orientation. They would have refused to make such a cake for any customer, irrespective of their sexual orientation.
We're very grateful. Grateful to the judges and especially grateful to God.
The head of the Equality Commission of Northern Ireland expressing disappointment and saying the ruling leaves a lack of clarity when it comes to equality law.
Do we now, when we walk in to receive a service somewhere, have to second guess the political or religious views of the person providing the service? This judgment appears to say that companies are allowed to have beliefs, not the individuals but the companies, and that somehow that belief takes precedence over the beliefs, if any, of people who are looking for the service.
Northern Ireland is the only part of the UK where same-sex marriage is not legal. The BBC crunching the numbers, and the cake at the center of the legal dispute, now believed to be the most expensive cake in UK history. And here's why. They added up all of the legal fees. And when you convert that into Canadian dollars, you're getting close to $750,000. And the cake, by the way, when it was ordered in 2014, it was for a private event, marking the International Day Against Homophobia.